which reviews the stuff in Unit 3, Unit 2, and Unit 1, that's not due until after we come back from Easter break, which is a wonderful time, Easter break, spring break, whatever you want to call it. I think there's probably a question or two on there that will target those extremity values as well, not just always the middle section. So knowledge about what's in the middle means you also have to have knowledge about what's on the outsides. So if we did 99.7%, we know we still got 0.3% left, and if that's split equally, then we know we have like 0.15%, which is beyond 3 standard deviations above, and the same distance below the mean. So I don't know where you're going to see a problem like that, but I'm pretty certain you will see a problem like that. So here, to kind of formalize or finish out our discussion here, let me do this. So at this particular point, since we know the middle 68% is divided equally to the region above and below 34% each, then of the 50% to the left of the mean, we've already accounted for 34%, leaving 16% to be less than the 1,750 that we put out there. So there's the visual, there's the words. You kind of have to use both parts of your brain, the analytical side of your brain as well as the pictorial side, graphic side, the picture side of your brain. So Confucius wasn't all wrong when he said that a picture is worth 1,000 words. Like you can show me the picture, but it would take you a hell of a long time to be able to write. Now, if you want to be Ernest Hemingway and want to write like big long books and things like that, that's wonderful. But for the most part, seeing is believing. So I know that you stand a good chance of seeing questions that will talk about percentages. At least one question which will target the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, and it's very likely going to be a problem which is a word-based problem. So I'm giving you something like the heights of women are normally distributed with a mean of and a standard deviation of, and find the percentage that's above this or below this or between these. More than likely you'll see the between, but you can also see something that's above and below. And since the questions are changing as we're moving through the semester on here, I don't know for sure exactly what questions are being asked on this test, but I don't expect it to be that different than what it's been in the past. So every test we've done this semester has had new questions on it that I wasn't expecting, and I don't get to see it until tomorrow probably. So maybe that'll give me an idea to tell you to expect this on Wednesday or something like that. It's not like I'm telling you what's on the test, but I'm telling you it's fair game. Okay? So that's the type of problem that we might expect to see somewhere along the line. So you have some words in there that go along with that, and I think what I'll probably end up doing is, because this is beneficial to a lot of people, I'll probably end up posting this for us on the web, so that you don't have to. That will unfairly benefit the people that don't come to class anymore. I don't like that. Okay, but it will help you, because if you miss something in the discussion, at least the words are up here, which is why I'm trying to type out things for you as well, instead of making it totally oral. Some people are very good at reading, some people are very good at hearing, some people are good at both, and some people are good at nothing. Okay, so if someone tells you you're good for nothing, that's not necessarily a bad thing, or it's not necessarily a good thing either. Okay, anyway. So, what next?
Do you like the serial problem, like where it's like the grams?
Okay.
Like the
So we have something like this. So I need to insert a blank slide here. Okay, so